Hello, hope you're doing good. So here is the tutorial how you can set up coupons, custom coupons for your website. So when you are on the backend of your WordPress website dashboard, let me go to the dashboard. Here you can see marketing tab. So here is the coupons option. Just simply click on it, coupons. There are multiple coupons already applied. For example, I have recently tested this coupon and set the amount as well. Let me trace this and design a new coupon. You just simply click on add new coupon. This is the coupon code. Whatever the code, you can write, you choose alphabet, any number, special characters, anything. So let me write my first coupon. So you can write description as well, but this is not required here. There are general discount type, like what type of discount you want to give your user on this coupon, like when they write this coupon, what happened to the amount. There are fixed discount, percentage discount, and fixed product discount. You want percentage discount, so we will write 10%. And for example, if you want a free shipping, then you just check this coupon code here. And here you can write the coupon expiry date, like you generate this coupon on this date and when this coupon will expire, and usage restrictions, like how many time you want to spend. Obviously it should be once, and for the individual user other settings as well, on a specific product, what type of product you want to exclude, category wise, and exclude category wise, allow email according to brand. These are backend settings, but this not required according to this website. So you can set these according to your restriction, your requirement. So here's usage limits. One, obviously, and the usage limit per user, like there are limits, how many time a user can apply according to one user or according to product wise. So these settings according to it. So after these settings, you just have to publish it. When it's published, and click on overview, coupons. Let me show you the list of coupons we created. You can see here is coupon for my first coupon, and coupon type, percentage discount, coupon amount, description, and product ID, etc. So let's get started. Let me apply this. proceed to checkout. So here is a message: if you have coupon, let me apply this coupon, my first coupon which I've created before. Okay, so you can see 10% removed from the actual amount. What happened when I applied again? Let me again apply. You can see here is the message, because I restrict it once, a user can apply it once. So you can see there is a message, this coupon is already applied. So here is, you can create multiple type of coupons here. Thank you for watching.